This is not so much a tutorial as it is a push to get you to try some stuff and to just have fun when you're producing. For technique 1, I have these keys, but it could be a pad, a guitar, anything. And I have an auto filter on it. And this already gives it some movement, but I want some more. And that's where this drum loop comes in. I'm going to add it to the sidechain of the filter. And this one has to be pre-fader because I don't want to hear the drum loop. I just need it to trigger the sidechain. So I'm turning down the fader on the drums, but the pre-fader signal is still going to go to the sidechain. And without it, nice. By the way, as per usual, this project is available on my Patreon if you want to try the exact same things. For the next one, we're going to add some ear candy to a kick. Here's the kick. And then I have 2 rattly noise loops panned left and right. Now to add some rattle to the kick, I only want these to play when the kick hits. So add a gate and send the kick to the sidechain. And then you can play with the settings. I'm going to give it a bit of a slower attack so the rattle starts a little after the kick hits, and give it some release to hear it a bit after the kick as well. Also add a gate to the second one. Maybe do slightly different settings to keep it even more interesting. And the fun thing is, because these rattles change over time, it's always going to sound a bit different with every kick. So let's hear it. Cool. The last one is a bit more practical. I have these sloppy backing vocals. It's a bit exaggerated, of course, so you can hear the difference in a minute, but I want their timing to be really tight. What I can do is I'll pick the one with the good timing, duplicate it, and I'll call it Ghost. Then get all the other ones in a group. Put a gate on the group and send the one with the good timing, the Ghost track, to the sidechain. Make it pre-fader because I'm going to turn it down. And now this Ghost backing vocal is telling the whole group of backing vocals when to play. I hope that helped. For more production techniques, check out the playlist. Thanks for watching and have fun making music. Bye.